back to my channel. Today we're going to be preparing my yiayia Olga's Pastitsio. This is a pasta baked in the oven. It has this delicious meat sauce inside, as well as topped with this incredible cream sauce. It's a Greek dish prepared the quick and easy way. Let's get started. To make this pastitsio, I'm going to start off by browning my ground beef in the pan with a bit of olive oil and a chopped onion. This is about 1.5 pounds of ground beef, and to season this, I'm putting in 2 bay leaves. I'm going to be adding some oregano, some salt and pepper, and some fresh crushed garlic. This full recipe is always listed down below in the description box, don't forget. And if you guys are new to my channel, be sure to subscribe because I upload every other day. While this meat is browning, I'm going to put it off to the side and start my pasta. Typically, pastitsio is made using a long ziti type noodle, but today I'm going to be using this Bucatini. These are like little straws. They have tiny holes running through the center. Allow the pasta to boil about 12 to 13 minutes in salted water. Once it's al dente to the bite, go ahead and remove the pasta into the pan that the pastitsio will be assembled in. Lay your pasta down flat so they're all going the same direction, and place that to the side while we finish our sauce. Once the ground beef is fully cooked and crispy, pour into that 1 jar of marinara sauce and allow it to simmer while we make this real fast cream sauce, which we'll be topping on top of our casserole. This is a secret recipe from my Greek grandmother, yiayia Olga. Her cream sauce was so incredible, and you'll be surprised that this only consists of 2 cups of cold milk with 3 tablespoons of cornstarch. You're gonna whisk this together and turn on the heat on a medium setting. Continue to stir it until the milk becomes all frothy on top, and you could see that it's just about to begin to boil. At this point, lower the heat and add about 3 tablespoons of butter and 1/2 cup of Parmesan cheese. Continue to stir this until the cream sauce thickens and coats the back of your metal spoon. This is the perfect cream sauce to top on top of your mousaka. When I used to make this with my yiayia at the restaurant, we would always scrape whatever was left on the bottom of the pot. It is just so delicious. If you guys want to add a pinch of nutmeg to this to be really traditional, go ahead and do that. I'm just not a huge fan of it. Now it's time for the fun part. We're going to be assembling the pastitsio. Spoon all of that rich meat sauce on top of the pasta, and notice how the sauce is pretty thick and not too runny. Once it's spread all over, slightly press it down with the back of your spoon and top this off with all of that incredible cream sauce. Make sure it's topped off evenly to keep that beautiful white color on top, and I like to shake it around a bit to get into all of those crevices. Once it's ready, pop this into your oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit and bake this for about 40 to 45 minutes. Keep an eye on it because the last few minutes is when the top will quickly brown up and the edges will be all bubbly and your house will just smell heavenly. Allow this pastitsio to set a few minutes before cutting into it. And you guys, this Greek-style lasagna will be love at first bite. This pastitsio is one of the most warm and comforting dishes. It's perfect for a huge crowd and just gets better as you reheat it the next day. And like I was telling you, there are many different variations to this dish, but this was my yiayia Olga style apoti mitylini lesbos. If you guys enjoyed this recipe, be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and check out some more of my yiayia's recipes listed down below in the description box. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.